When you're living the big life, you need an equally big space for everything in it. And Suncast has one. Equipped with a sturdy steel frame, our 12x12 Mega Modernist Storage Shed gives you 144 square feet of storage. Slide open the oversized double doors and welcome in a world of possibilities. Need extra space for that riding mower? A home for your ATV? The perfect spot for your golf cart? Our Mega Modernist Storage Shed has plenty of room to go around. And with an optional cabinet system, it'll hold an entire garden center's worth of supplies. And like all things Suncast, the Mega Modernist Storage Shed is big on durability. The all-steel frame can handle snow loads of up to 2 tons, evenly distributed. And the weather-resistant multi-wall resin panels are fully protected from water, UV rays, and fading. If you're searching for an all-season storage solution, the Mega Modernist Storage Shed is game for anything you throw at it. Well, almost anything. Suncast, built for everyday life.